My apologies for the wobbliness and the change of the way everything looks. I had to put my phone on charger because it was about dead, and so I am now recording from a ginormous tablet. Not the easiest thing to hold and record with at the same time, but we shall succeed. I'm going to start off with apologizing because I have not done justice by you by telling you the simplest of things, which I should have ingrained in you. Your fingers are numbered, silly as it sounds. So starting with your thumb being number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. The reason why that's important is because I'm about to show you minors. And when you are playing a chord, you are supposed to play with your 1, 3, and 5 finger. Obviously, I don't always do that. I'm sure you've noticed. You're going to play whatever's comfortable for you, and that's fine. I just need you to know this so that you'll understand what it is that I'm talking about when I tell you to move your number 3 finger. The reason why I don't is from when some 10 plus years ago now, Sarah and I were goofing around on a four-wheeler, and I broke my right hand. I shattered it, actually, but because of that, my pointer finger over here is 3 millimeters shorter than it should be, and it also curves to the right. And that curvature in my finger makes it hard for me to move my middle finger the way that I need to. And so it's easier for me to just use this finger often. But minors are really easy. And I'm going to show you how to find the minor of anything. You will move your number 3 finger to find the minor of anything. So, for instance, if I am playing C chord and I want to find the minor of it, to find the minor, you always move a half step back into the flat. So from the root of C, E, and G, to find C minor, I move my number 3 finger back a half step. And you'll note that the difference between a normal sound of a normal chord is kind of bright, and then your minors are more dark or kind of harrowing sounding, actually. So C minor. Now, you're gonna have to memorize that it's E flat from wherever you're at, because yes, I moved my number 3 finger, but say if I'm playing C here, it's not as simple as moving my number 3 finger, because that is just some made up key there. That's not actually C minor. So I've got to remember, even if I'm playing from here, it's actually E flat. So regardless of where I'm playing it, that E is what has changed. Okay, so if I'm playing D, F sharp, and A, and I want to find the minor, I go from F sharp to F. I'm moving that number 3 finger again. And again, no matter where I'm at, I've got to remember that I'm not playing F sharp anymore. I am now playing F. E, okay. E, G sharp, B. The minor is moving that number 3 from G sharp to G. E minor. If I'm playing F and I'm going to find the minor, number 3 finger goes back to the flat. If I'm playing G and I want the minor, number 3 finger moves back. If I'm playing A, number 3 back. B minor, and then back at C. It is the exact same thing for when you're playing in the sharps if you want to find the minor. So if I'm playing C sharp, which I know to be C sharp, F, and A sharp, and I need to find the minor, or my chord calls for C sharp minor, and it'll say that it'll look like C hashtag M. Just move that number 3 finger over once, 1/2 step. So she's C sharp minor. And okay, so if I'm playing F sharp, I'll play from root. F sharp minor. Another thing, I've been talking about flats and stuff. when you see flat written down, it'll say whatever that chord is. So if it's G flat, it'll say G, and it's usually a capitalized G with a lowercase b. That means G flat or F flat or whatever. That lowercase b always means flat. And that was a little bit of information for nothing. But I hope this helps you. Let me know if you need any more guidance or need me to clarify anything.